Do you run a local fire and water cleanup and restoration company? Have you tried every method imaginable to get your name out there to no amends? The fact is, in today's world, an ad in the newspaper is going to get zero attention. People just don't like reading like they used to. The answer? A fun, engaging video to set you high above the crowd. We'll set you up with unique animations to tell your story, along with a captivating script, pro voiceover, and sweet music to seal the deal. All you need to do is let us know about your business and we'll take care of the rest. Then just sit back and, well, don't relax, because you'd better get ready for those phone calls to come streaming in. Our results speak for themselves, and we can't wait to add you to our growing list of satisfied clients. Get in touch with us today, and let's prove that video is king.